these are the first part. Rest part you can do by yourself. And if you are having any doubt, you can write on the comment section of the video, or you can also personally on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now second part, 8A second part. List all prime numbers. First part is list all prime numbers less than 25. We have to tell all the prime numbers that are less than 25. जो भी 25 से छोटे हैं वो हमें सारे less prime numbers find out करने हैं. So your first prime number should be 2. It's the smallest. 1 is not the smallest prime number. Remember, 1 is not the prime number because it have only one factor. ठीक है? तो prime number नहीं है हमारा 1. So 2 is the prime number. 3 is the prime number. So tell me the numbers that is not having more than 2 factors. 5 is not having 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. 20 is having, 21 is having, 22 is having, 23 is also not having. So these are all the prime numbers less than 25. Okay? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 15, 19. Okay. Done. Another is between 15 and 35. Between 15 and 35. So second is between 15 and 35. So we have to tell all the prime numbers that comes in between 15 and 35. So 16 is not a prime number, 17 is a prime number, 18 is not 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. No. So only these are the prime numbers. Okay. Now 4 to 8 to 48. We have to consider 8 to 48. So this is the write down the all prime number between 8 and 76. It is the third part, between 8 and 76. So we have to list all the prime numbers that comes in between 8 and 76. So 8, 9 is not the prime number, 10 is not, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, no, 17, 18, no, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, yes, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, yes, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 41 is not divisible with any other number except the one end, the number itself. So 41, 42, no, if it is a 2, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 48, 49, 49 is divisible, 7, 7 is 49, 49, 50, 51 is also divisible, 52, 53, yes, 53 will be na. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Sorry, this is between 76. Okay. So 53, 59, 61. So you can do by yourself that you have to tell all the prime numbers that comes between 8 and 76. So 73 is the last prime number. It is complete. So how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 prime numbers are there between these two values, 8 and 7. Is anybody missing? So 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73 are the prime numbers between 8 and 76. Okay. Now the next question is, are you able to understand ना बच्चों? If not, then you can ask me. And try to subscribe it and view more and more. If you are not able to understand one time, just second and you can watch the video. Okay. So write down the prime numbers from 5 to 45. This is the same question ना? 5 to 45 now we have to find out. हमें 5 से लेके 45 तक सारे प्राइम फैक्टर बताने हैं, तो 5 से लेके 45 तक हमें बताने हैं, तो ये हम बता सकते हैं। सेम क्वेश्चन है हमारा, जैसे हमने अभी पढ़ा था, यस और नो। यू कैन नॉट रिप्लाई ना। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज द 5 इज ऑल्सो फैक्टर, प्राइम नंबर है ये हमारा। थर्ड पार्ट गिवन टू बाय ऑल्सो सेम एज द पार्ट 2। नाउ वी विल डू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन। राइट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16। Write the prime factors of 16. So first you have to know how many factors are there of 16. Okay. So we will consider like here. Are you able to see the board? So 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, and 2 1 the 2. These are all the factors. These are all the factors. Sorry, these are all the factors. So what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, these are the prime factors of 16. This is the method by which you can also find, but in your rough, don't be in a fair one. So prime factor of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now we have to find the prime factors of this. These are the factors. ये क्या हमारे पास? ये factors हैं. That is the 1, 2, 4, 8, 6. These are the factors, but we have to tell the prime factors. So prime factors are those that is not divisible with any other number except the 2 or the number itself. So here only the 1 is the prime, that is the 2, not 1. That's the number of prime factor is 1. So for how many prime factors are there? Only 1. That is 2. So 2 is your only one prime factor. Okay. In this part you can find out 49, 27. This is clear. Every number should be clear. चलिए. So I will explain the another part, any part that is writing in the fourth part. In the fourth part, 49. So first you have to tell the factors of 49. 1 and 7 and the 49. Correct? 49. 7 7 the 49, 7 1 the 7. So 1 7 49 are the factors. So prime factors are only 1 is having the prime factor, that is 7. 7 ही आपका prime factor है, because 49 is not a prime factor. It is divisible by 7. ठीक है? चलिए. Now fifth part. Fifth part, that is the last question of our exercise. If Pn means the prime factor of n, then find if Pn equals to prime factors. हम Pn को किससे लिखते हैं? प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ n. And what is the n? N is given in every question part. That is the n equals to this is 6. That is P6. So here n equals to 6. That we have to find the prime factors of 6. So what are the prime factors of 6? So first you have to do by like this. ऐसे मत करिए, आप ऐसे लिखिए. n equals to 6. That we know. So factor of 6. But you will write factor of 6. So what is the factor of 6? 6 को आप देखिए. 2 3 या 6, 3 1 या 3. Okay, so how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors. Now in which we have to find the prime factor. So prime factor of 6 equals to 2 and 3. Only 2 and 3. So this is your answer. Okay. देखिए मैंने आपको जो भी फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड बताया, जैसे कि आपका 6 है, तो आपने लिखा 2 3 या 6 and 3 1 या 3. तो 1 2 3 6. So all the numbers that come in this part are all the factors of 6. ये सारे के सारे आपके 6 के फैक्टर होंगे, जो भी आपके इस तरीके से फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में आते हैं. जैसे कि आपका 1 था, 2 भी था ये, तो यहाँ पे 2 भी आपका फैक्टर है, 3 है तो डबल बार तो लिखेंगे नहीं, इट शुड बी 3 and 6. So these are the factors of 6 and the prime factor of 6 is 2 and 3. Okay, so now we will consider the last question of this exercise, P of 42. Pn you have to find. So n equals to here 42. So first you have to find the factors of 42. और 42 का फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करते हैं. So 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 3 7 जा 21, 7 1 जा 7. So what are the prime factors? Factors are 1 2 3 7 21 and 42. 42. Now here we have to find how many prime factors. 6 also prime factor. Now these are all the prime factors. Here we have to find the these are all the factors. Now we have to find the prime factor of 42. So 2, 3 and 7. So 2, 3, 7 are the prime factors of 42. Okay. So in this video that much is there, and watch it. Today I will post, so watch it carefully. Okay. Take care.